exciting because I ordered some vintage things a couple of weeks ago and all of them arrived at the same time. I cannot believe this. I'm so excited to show you guys. It's letters, book covers, different pieces of ephemera, an old hymnal. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I hope you guys are too. Okay, so this is a pack of 10 vintage letters, genuine vintage letters that I purchased from eBay. And I'm so excited. Oh, wow. Look. Okay, now, how do I get it out without ruining it? Okay, let's tear that off. It came very well packaged. I'll get you guys the name in a minute if you're interested. Very nice plastic. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Okay, so how does this work? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, maybe that will work. Oh, I don't want to break that. Oh, 1939. Is there an actual letter in here? There is a letter. I don't know what it is, but it's so pretty. I will be making copies of these. Oh, will I be able to get it back in? Oh. Anyway, thankfully they're not like much older or I would not touch them. Okay, there's that one. Ooh, I love that blue. I don't know what that is, but that's cool. Oh, it's even like in blue paper. Very cool. Oh, what? Dear someone and family, 1920. Lands, loans, and city property. Wow. That's not bad quality for 1920s. Oh, here's another letter that there's no way I'm going to be able to read. I'm kind of afraid to open it. Just got to be very careful. So I'm going to try to... I'm not a professional at all. Look at that. Look at how gorgeous. Wow. Anyway, I'm going to try to get copies of this stuff. So you guys can purchase them in my shop. Ooh, I know I heard a rip on that one. Wow. Is there a date? 1894. Wow. Female orphan school. Bible, 45 cents. Blank, 5 cents. History, psychology. Wow. That's interesting. This is saying 1922. The paper just feels so crazy. Yeah, it's April 23, 22. Dear Uncle, will answer your most appreciated letter received some time ago. I don't know what it says. I'm very bad at reading cursive writing. I used to be so good at it. Now I haven't done it in so long. I'm not good at it anymore. Oh. This is old. Oh man. I'm not sure. This is crazy. If you love old paper, oh what? Wow. Look at that. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to copy this one because it's so big, but I definitely don't want to use it in anything. Wow. Okay. But if you love old paper, then you will appreciate all of this. 1890. Oh, that's really old too. This is just the beginning, guys. I have 2 more packages I have to open. 1902. Wow. $1920 something. And this is 1940. Probably the newest of them all. Promissory note dated March 5th, 1936, payable on or before March 5th, 1937 in the principal sum of $600 with credits of interest payments of $48 and $2 thereon payable to M. Edith Fowler, executed by Sarah Cressip. Daniel Cressip and yourself has been referred to me for collection. My instructions are to take immediate action in this matter to protect the interests of the holder of this note. As same as long past due and payable, you surely will arrange to take care of the matter without further delay. It is not desired to take action and thus incur additional costs and inconveniences, but unless this receives your prompt attention, there is no alternative. Thank you. I am yours very truly something. Interesting. April 11th, 1940. Probably Franklin M. Long. Yeah. So, a lawyer. Cool. Cool stuff. I'm going to put all of that back in here ever so gently. That was awesome. It's like a blast from the past. That's my very first set of genuine vintage letters. So I'm really excited about that. Okay, I don't know how this went. Forgive me. Okay, maybe. Okay, that's how it went. Okay. Sorry, I got so excited I forgot. Okay, so this one, I believe this is the hymnal. Oh, there's a bug. We don't want that little critter. Oh, wow. How cute. I bought this on Etsy. So I just threw my Mod Podge in the floor. I didn't want to tear any of it, but it's so thin. Looks like she included some extras. How sweet. Now this youth hymnal is 1935. How beautiful. I plan on making a friend of mine from church is getting married, and I am making her some roses out of music paper, and I wanted to use vintage book papers, so I'm really, really happy about that. And this next piece, you guys, it's gonna blow your mind. Remember I mentioned a book cover? Yeah, the book cover of all book covers, in my opinion. There's some other pieces with it too, but let me see what we got here. Wait, don't these just rip open? No, they don't. But to prevent super messy cleanups, I'm gonna just get them. Oh wow. Okay, so here's I'm not really sure what this is, but trying to find a date. 1971. Don't know, a songbook. 1987. A checkers box. Oh, it broke. A Baby Ruth box. An old one. Some kind of ticket tag. Stamps. More stamps. A ticket. Another ticket. Stamp. Some kind of foreign thing. A postcard. Blank postcard. Some bingo paper. Very interesting. Not sure how old that is. John 3:16. Wow. An old Alf sticker. Oh, that's cute. Some tickets. I don't know what year though. 1945. Songs. Some ledger paper. I don't know how old. I have no idea. Handle with care. That's for sure. A Western Union. Oh yes. I did a World War II kit recently, all digital, you know, all by hand, and I made a Western Union telegram for the kit. So this will come in handy for sure. I didn't even realize that was in there. A birthday card, some sort. Another ticket. I don't know what this is. If you guys know what this is, let me know in the comments. But it's really cool. I think I'm gonna hide this so you guys can't see the book cover yet. What is that? I don't know, some kind of Kodak prize. Alright, and here is the book cover. It's an 1800s Shakespeare book cover. And if you're wondering why that's actual leather. Why Shakespeare is spelled backwards, or not backwards, spelled incorrectly. I looked it up. Shakespeare actually spelled his name, or his name has been spelled 3 different ways, and it was always kind of different. So this is a genuine book. It's, well, the cover, it's real. It's definitely worth some money, and I am just so thrilled to own it. The plan is to scan it very carefully and then framing it. I'm gonna frame this and hang it up in my future craft room. So excited to show you guys that. The lady that I bought it from, she has some other things, and she's gonna look through them and let me know. So who knows what I will find if I can afford it. Alright guys, that's just a video of the cool vintage things that I've found and purchased and are now here, and I hope you loved it. If you want any particular things scanned, let me know in the comments and I'll put those in my shop. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.